Sorry about that, my finger hit the record button by accident, so there's going to be 2 videos. The worst thing with this camera, you can't edit with it, and you can't edit with my other one either. The only one I can edit with is the old one. So I can make a whole bunch of movies and splice them all together, but there's no way I'm spending $400 on a movie maker. It ain't worth it. So we'll just have to live with 2 short videos. Oh man, this is crazy. This is no fun at all, this. Yeah. I had to hose down the deck this morning, the mud. All the mud. Here. Stop fighting over the one hot dog. There you go. This is it for the hot dogs, boy. This is it. That's all there is. 7 pounds gone just like that. I swear to God, they were starving to death. Alright, I got the... God, they get mud all over my door everywhere. Okay, we got the grapes here. And I'll throw out the dry food. Ready? There. And there's Scooter, of course. Go get a grape, Scooter. Go get a grape. Go on. Go get one. Yes. Go get one. Never mind me. I gotta hose that bench off. $25 raccoons. Holy smokes. Sorry about the video breakup, but my finger hit the record button, and of course it's start-stop button. I had to start over. Well, those grapes are gone that quick. Look at that now. Well, move. Move. Well, we'll put some cookies out. We'll put some cookies out. Whew, the old furnace is going all day. Hello, Connor. You get up out of the chair, did you? My chair. Huh? Are you in my chair? Were you in my chair? Were you? Connor? Were you in my chair? You were, so, weren't you? Alright, how are we going to do with the cookies here? Oh, I had trouble with my back yesterday. Woke up out of bed, boy, it was sore. I'm alright today. Look, they're all lined up again. They're all lined up again. They're gonna go through this whole package like nothing. Alright. Oh yeah. Of course you dropped one to the floor. What else are you gonna do? Huh? God knows where it went. I'll have to look for it after. Look for it after. Okay. This is a job and a half, you know. Where'd that other one go? It went rolling somewhere. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's split in half. Or did it? Only half a cookie. Alright. This is going to be fun now. Cena? Did you ever see the lights? Raccoon Whisperer. Raccoon hoarder. Oh my God. This is crazy. And they even push the bench back. Oh, this is going to be great now trying to get out here. Alright, come on. Move. Let Daddy out. There. Ready? Okay. Man, oh man. Oh, he's going to eat his cookie on my foot. What? Take it. You're not taking it, you're hoarding it. There. Oh God, one landed. One landed in his back here. Come here. There. Stuck right on his back. Man, oh man. Raccoons! Holy smokes. I'll get the dry food out now. My God, man. This is all going to have to be scrubbed tomorrow and hosed down. Oh, we're getting snow tomorrow. You get going. Get. Go on. Connor cat. A Connor cat. Ah, yeah, we're going to get snow tomorrow. Starting at 4 o'clock in the morning. So, that's probably why they're going off the deep end here tonight. Alright. I'll put some dry out. Where's the best place to put it? Where's the best place to put it? All them raccoons are in the way. Here. We'll start here. Oh my God. There. Let me get there's 3 there. Yeah. You get. Get. Go on. Oh. He's a pain. What? You got your dry food out there. Go eat your dry food. Yeah. And this is my buddy here. You see my buddy? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. The hoarder. There. After they settle down, I'll hose all that down. I had to take the hose out again. What? What do you want? Arr. Look at him sitting back eating a cookie. Just enjoying every minute of it. Yeah. Arr. But you know, for all that's here, they get along pretty good. Yeah. Oh, stop fighting over the water. Everybody wants to be on TV. Look at this now. You want to be on TV too? And you? And you? And you? And you? Alright, I'm going to call it a night here. I'll be feeding them more. I know I will. I'll be feeding you guys more. We'll get into the seeds. Alright, now you move. Move. No, back up. No. No, get in there. Oh, they'll come in if you let them. Alright, people. Connor cat. Alright, we're going to shut her down. This time the right way. Good night.